Everyone, today I'm going to discuss be mindful of what you watch. So what I want to say is that the content also have the vibration. All right, so if you will go ahead and watch a high vibration content like any dance video, or you will listen to any spiritual teacher, or like you will watch any comedy show, you will stay in high vibration as well. All right, however, like if you will go ahead and watch content which has a lot of fear and or a lot of dark energy, then you will go into lower vibration. All right, so content also have vibration, and we all can feel the vibration, all right, of the content, and we can choose what content to watch and what content not to watch, right? So I learned from my mentor Gabby Bernstein that even I also create content when I'm in high energy, right? Otherwise, like whenever I feel like I'm in low energy, I don't create content on that particular day, right? So and also I think I heard like once from Teal Swain as well. She's also great spiritual teacher, though I don't always agree with her, but she also advised the same. So I also do the same, like when I'm in high vibration, I create the content. And also that's what I have realized as well, like if you're watching the content of any other person, be mindful of what you watch, right? Because if the person is in high vibration, you will stay in high vibration. But if the person is in a lot of stress or fear, you might also go ahead and feel that fear, right? So if you're an empath or if you're a light worker and you can feel somebody's emotion and energy and their pain, right? So you can feel what they're feeling, and sometimes we feel their negative emotion, right? So that's what I want to say, that if you're a light worker, watch high vibration content, all right, and or choose a high vibration mentor as well, all right, because that is going to help you in your journey, all right? Because if like it's okay to go into fear, I'm not saying that it's not okay to go into fear, but when you are in fear, realize that you are in fear, and it's your responsibility to go ahead and transform your fear into love, and then go ahead and create the content, all right? So don't create content when you yourself are into a lot of fear, and then I think some people I see like they are spreading more fear. So don't do that, right? So nobody knows what is going to happen next, right? So but at least best we can do is that we should not go ahead and create more fear in this kind of situation, right? We all are born to spread love and happiness, so let's go ahead and spread love and happiness. And if we see like someone is doing that, so I think we can go ahead and switch the channel, right? That's better thing. So we all make mistakes, and that's how we learn, right? So that's what I have seen, that like if even if same thing with food, if food is cooked by a high vibration person, then people who eat that food also stay in high vibration, right? So content also have a vibration, so please watch high vibration content if you want to go ahead and stay in high vibration, right? So rest we all have individual choice, right? So if you will go ahead and stay in high vibration, you will be able to manifest things faster in your life, and yeah, also you will feel more happy as well, so it's good for you only. All right, so choose love every day. I think every day we have a choice, either to choose love or either to choose fear, right? Either to choose love or either to choose hate. So choose love every day, and have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.